to the bird sanctuary with the original Kalpoos. You don't get better. Alright, it's a beautiful Sunday evening. Beautiful Sunday evening. Alright? We're having a nice time. So we're off on a road trip. Alright? A bird sanctuary trip. We have Anna, Laura, JC Boy, and Ariel. Alright? And we're heading out. Catch you on the waters. Can't take out pictures.
I see a boat is right here, Mama. Yeah, me too. We gonna be in there, Mama.
Sana po ni Kro. Kurang ikut ni Kro.
I'm still gonna be there, Mama.
Oh, can't be there. What are they doing? Too muddy. Stand up. Stand.
It's amazing.
What police?
Yeah.
What you
My brother, good day. Yeah. Yes, man. Somebody feeling out already.
Already police. Serang.
Don't worry about them police now, man. We's police too.
Police in the session.
Huh? Yeah.
Hey, would you?
Yan.
Ano yung tahan? Ito yung ka.
Kapo na yan. Yun din. Go, video. There you go.
Ah, sorry ba?
Hello, Emma.
A few moments later.
Fryers, bakers, story time. Don't know. Everybody. before I get clout in my head. Videos. Wow. Place is beautiful. Yes? Huh? Yeah. Yeah, boy. Huh? Look how pretty. Only watch my smile now. Taking a picture. A picture. Hey Bob, only line up. Get in the mix. Come kids, let's jump in there. Kids, let's jump in. Jump in. Emma Chin. Flying. How we looking? David, now this is a professional photographer taking all this picture here, right? Right? With kids. Right? Now, mix. I want to get in the mix with everybody. Have a little? Everybody. Nice. Let's take one. Stand up there now. Let's stand up there. This is a nice picture. Whoa. That's a nice picture. Hey, Kev. Jump in. Yeah, again, everybody there. Everybody. We're on wide. Smile. 2, 3. Wrong there. Wait all there. Everybody. Run, Kev. Run, Forrest, run. Run, Forrest, run. Right, and here we go. One for the pick. 1, 2, 3. Go. Yeah, you have to get his son. That is you train on that Bobby, boy. You train on that Bobby. Oh gosh. Oh, yeah, this place is gorgeous. Everybody, let me see all your face there. Let me get faces all here. Nah, this half film. This don't take good. Right. Will you watch me there? Girls.
Bye-bye.
What a fella looking like local celebrity Navin there, boy. Who's that man there? Oh, no, that's somebody looking like Navin. Again. Huh? Okay. Uncle Vish, you have Captain. You have the honor of tying the rope. Right. Yeah. Alia, I have this on video, eh? I have this on video, Alia. So if he splash, that would be nice.
We could go back with one shot.
Right, not too tight.
No, move that.
No, not too tight. Yeah. Just twist it, turn it. Turn it tight. Turn the rope down. Make a loop in the rope. Make a loop. You ready to start off? Are you ready?
Listen up, guys. All I noticed,
Olive.
very quiet, right? This area,
Hey.
right? You guys can watch on the side, you'll see some fishes, secret fish fall. Guys, take a look at the fishes.
Oh, wow.
Everybody don't come on the side, please. The fight be
Oh,
over.
wow. Look at them. We could catch. Jesus.
What is that? What? Big catfish?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
Real nice. Huh? You see them?
Look over, you will see fish. Some catfish. You see the fish?
Big and sharp, boy, big and sharp.
Yes.
You take me, I take you. Nicely. Alright, I caught you already.
Daryl,
Yeah.
fish on him.
Yeah, I get it already.
We can ever get net fight?
No.
Just try and feel it.
Hey, what's the fight in there?
I don't know if it ever. Yes. Look.
Oh my God.
Yeah, just send some of those
Look at how much. Wow.
Oh, is that they doing?
Drop it. This is awesome. Watch them. Oh, pull a finger.
No.
Look at bite me. Watch. Look, touch him. Watch. Touch. Touching them, yeah. Look, touching. Watch. Touching. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm going crazy.
Yeah, boy, yeah. And they're coming up to show him.
Places around the island. Right, just a couple minutes from the Caroni Visitor Center to come and look at them right here. Now, you guys have any idea why the birds are coming to this particular area here?
Quiet. It's gonna Imran.
Safety.
Quiet.
Quiet. What you guys say again?
Sunlight is focusing there.
Sunlight. Yeah, the noise is good.
Kalpoos will feed them.
So actually, the birds come for safety. It's very
Safety.
So the birds think that they are safe, and then the birds come in numbers for safety. You say birds of a feather together. So they come in numbers for safety. So guys, together with the scarlet ibis, you're gonna see a variety of egrets and herons also share in this particular area. White ones are the snowy egrets. You're gonna have great egrets, yellow pronged night herons, little blue herons, tricolored herons, cormorants. Yeah, you guys don't put your hand in the water, eh? Because you could get hurt if they choke you, right? So guys, we're gonna relax, take in the ambience of the place, and while we're here, you guys gonna get your pint chow in a little bit, right? So
Sweet drink or sweet drink?
Hey, look at that child. Yeah, that egret.
It's so big.
If I had a net, I would have scooped down. Throw it in the video. Throw it right in the middle. Drop. Good. Drop it.